myself Bhavani of 10th and here are my groupmates Raghunath and Ankit. The topic which we have presented is biological magnification. Firstly, biological magnification is a phenomenon in which maximum amount of chemicals will be accumulated by the humans, and at the higher trophic level, humans will be there. And the best example for trophic level is a food chain. In food chain, firstly, producers they trap 1% of sunlight solar energy, and they use it during the process of photosynthesis. And from producers, here comes primary consumers. Primary consumers will be will consume the producer, that is grass or any kind of plants, and primary consumers will be consumed by the secondary consumer. From secondary consumer, the tertiary consumers will be consuming the secondary consumers, and in tertiary consumers, even though human beings will also be involved. And here all the process of biological magnification will be explained by my friend Raghunath.
I am going to explain the process of biological magnification. This is the field where crops are grown, called agriculture. When farmers spray chemicals to crops, the chemical will be absorbed by sand, and when heavy rain comes, that rainwater will move to pond, including with chemicals. The aquatic animals which are present in pond will be affected by the agricultural chemicals, and again when fisherman comes and collect the fishes from pond and he will be selling in market, the humans will be buying the fishes from market, and that fishes are affected by the chemicals. Humans are consuming the affected fishes, and humans are affected, and they will be taking high amount of chemicals to their body.
This is where place crops are grown. When farmer spray pesticides or fertilizer, the chemicals in fertilizer absorbed by the plants. When these plants are carried to the market, the affected plants are carried to the market. In market, the humans are intaking the chemical affected plant. In this way, the human will get affected.
Finally, by this model we conclude that the people who consume fish should not eat the fish which will be inside the ponds or lakes, and they should undergo the process of pisciculture. In a sense, they grow fish in the house and they can consume it so that they will be healthy. Thank you.
Thank you.